to convert the Excel sheet to PDF. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some fastest way in order to do so. So we may follow these steps. So we can open up the Excel file, open up Excel and open up your Excel file and you have the file that you have. For example, let's say this is the one. Once we open it up, look out for the file option in the top and select it. And there select the option for save as. And in the save as type, we can select up a location. For example, this is the location. After that, once we find the location, we can look out for save as type, select it, and select the option for .pdf, this one right here, and go ahead and look out for the option called save, and that will do it. That is one of the method available. Apart from that, we can export as PDF as well. So once you are in this section, you can look out for this option called export as PDF, something like that, and go ahead and confirm it up, and you can select and create up a PDF or XPS and click on publish, and that should also work out. Apart from that, we can print to PDF, works in all the Windows PC. For that, we can press Ctrl plus P, and this opens up, this screen opens up. You can select the option for Microsoft Print to PDF. After that, click on the option called print and confirm it up, and it will give you a PDF version of your file. That is it. And to make your PDF look proper, you can just go over and save of the changes, click on print preview, etc. But this is how you should be able to convert Excel sheet to PDF. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.